Hello, today's lesson is lesson 5-2 and its title is 9 as a factor. Today we're multiplying by 9. You have used patterns to complete fact tables for 2 and 5. Today you will use patterns to find the 9's facts. Our learning target: I can find patterns in the products for multiplications facts with a factor of 9. We talked about what types of food come with many in a package, thinking about ways we would use this in real life. Maria bought 4 boxes of chocolates. There are 9 chocolates in each box. How many chocolates did she buy, and how would you solve this problem? Students told me that you could solve this problem by doing 4 times 9. One way to find products for 9's facts is to use counters to make arrays. What is the multiplication sentence for this array? Since the array is 1 row down and 9 dots across, it's a 1 times 9 array. What's the multiplication sentence for this array? It's a little cut off on the video, but there's 9 dots going up and down, and there's 1 dot going across. So this is 9 times 1. We drew a 9 by 1 array on our paper, and we added rows until we had enough to solve the question about Maria's chocolates. It was a 9 times 4 question. Then we filled in the table there. If I know 0 times 9, then I know 9 times 0, and students filled in all those answers. We used this to check our answers, and then I asked them what patterns they saw. Boy, we saw a lot of great patterns with the 9's. I love the 9's myself. The 1's go down in the 9's, the 1's place. So if you start here, 9 is in the 1's place. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then if you turn over to the 10's place, it goes the opposite direction. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 0. Of course, this is the same using the commutative property of multiplication. We know, for example, 3 times 9 is the same as 9 times 3. Students also saw the pattern that all products with a factor of 9, the digits in the product add up to 9. So, for example, again with 4 times 9, 3 plus 6 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9. They all add up to 9. It's a good pattern to remember. Okay, these two guys are discussing some multiplication. 3 times 9 equals 24. Everyone knows that. No, the product of 3 times 9 is not 24. Who is right? How do you know? Students told me we know that 3 times 9 cannot multiply up to 24 because those two digits do not add up to 9. We talked about which problems might be tricky, the reviews I told them to watch out for. We talked about how we can solve this problem, that a 5 times 9 would have digits that added up to 9 because it's a 9 factor, and it would end with a 5 or a 0 since it's a 5 problem. We talked about problems that have a 9 and a 2. In the product it would add up to 9 if you added up the digits, and it would be an even number since all problems with a factor of 2 have an even product. Ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. We talked about a few of the problems in the book. Looked at the game we'll play when we're done. And that was it for today.